Oh my goodness, I forgot my favorite part of Christmas, which is getting all the cousins' books. So I started last year where I got them one novel and one graphic novel. So I got this one for my niece, who's in high school, The Only Girl in Town, by Ali Condi. And I got her the graphic novel This One Summer. And my nephew, who is in middle school, I got him the graphic novel Feathers. And I also got him Awesome Lego Creations with Bricks you already have. So I think he'll like that. I hope. And for my 5th grade nephew, I got him Augie and Me, which is a sequel to Wonder, which my daughter read in school this year. So she thought he would really like this one. And then we got him this graphic novel, 7 Good Reasons Not to Grow Up. And for my nephew that I got the Swifts novels for, we also got him Crossover. He's really into sports, so my daughter thought he would like this one. And then my other 2 nieces who are in high school got them The Witching Wind by Natalie Lloyd, Lore Olympus by Rachel Smith, because they're really into Percy Jackson and Greek gods. I got them Once Upon a Fever, which is it historical fiction? Now I can't remember. Oh, no, that's a science fiction. Once Upon a Fever. And then a graphic novel called Hover Girls by Geneva Bowers. So we thought they'd like those too.